brought business, recreation, and change. The little town developed by the railroad as promised by Young, but not until the Civil War ended. A famous war general, E.P. Alexander, played such an important role in getting the railroad completed that the name of the town was changed from Youngsville to Alexander City as a tribute to him. The first train arrived on Wednesday, June 24, 1874. Local lawyer and banker Sim Wilbanks worked as vice president for the Southern Railway. He maintained an office in a boxcar, traveling with the railroad to conduct business.
Due to the railroad moving in, that enlarged our town because we had ways to get in and out. And they made a great contribution. The city wanted to clean up and get rid of the depot that ran right down the middle of town. It was an eyesore. And we had a new president, and we talked him into moving the depot.
Alexander City grew up like most other small Alabama towns did around the railroad. The railroad came through from Opelika on to Talladega in 1874, and that's what really started the growth around Alex City. Hotels would grow up around, right around the railroad tracks, warehouses that would hold the freight for the railroads, and stores. And the streets in Alexander City really grew along that railroad track.
Around the railroad, businesses grew with the town. Enterprising families such as the Hirschfelds, Frozens, Cohens, Lamberths, Graves, Dobbs, Reverend Nunn, and the Bulwares contributed to the town's economic growth.